Foodie adventures, best culinary experiences for two. Foodie adventures during couple travel offer a rich avenue to deepen your connection while exploring new places. Sharing meals lets you both engage with local cultures on a sensory level, turning dining into a memorable part of your journey. Consider these ways to make culinary experiences special together. 1. Street food tours. Sampling authentic street food reveals the heart of a destination's flavors. Navigating bustling markets or food stalls side by side creates an intimate and lively atmosphere. For instance, exploring the vibrant street food scene in northern Thailand could be an unforgettable experience, especially when coupled with gluten-free travel options. 2. Cooking classes. Learning to prepare traditional dishes as a duo encourages teamwork and fun. It's a hands-on way to appreciate local ingredients and culinary techniques. You might even find some excellent cooking classes that not only teach you how to cook but also offer insights into the local culture. 3. Farm-to-table dining. Visiting farms or vineyards followed by meals made with fresh, local produce connects you both to the origin of your food. This shared experience can spark meaningful conversations and appreciation for sustainable eating. Such experiences often blend well with cooking classes where you can learn from chefs who specialize in farm-to-table cuisine. 4. Themed dinner nights. Seek out restaurants that offer romantic or culturally immersive settings. Think candlelit dinners in historic venues or beachside seafood feasts. Exploring tastes together invites discovery beyond sightseeing. It bonds you through shared enjoyment and curiosity, making foodie adventures an essential part of couple travel. Backpacking vs luxury, finding your couple travel style. Choosing the right travel style is very important for couples who want to enjoy their trip and not feel stressed. The backpacking luxury couple travel style gives you two clear ways to travel. These ways fit different likes and budgets. Backpacking. Backpacking is great for couples who like adventure, being flexible, and seeing new places. When you stay in hostels or guest houses, you often share spaces with other people. This helps you meet other travelers and feel closer to local life. Some hostels made for couples have private rooms, but you still get a friendly and social feel. This way of travel is good if you feel fine with simple living. It is also good if you want to save money on your trip. Luxury travel. Luxury travel is for couples who want comfort and privacy. Hotels, resorts, and boutique stays offer things like room service, spa treatments, and romantic places. It helps couples feel relaxed. They do not have to worry about planning or missing out on comfort. When deciding between backpacking and luxury, think about if you feel good with sharing a place with others or if you like having your own private space. Think about how much time you want to use for planning and how much time you want to relax. Think about what brings you closer to people. Is it doing fun new things together or is it spending time in comfort, being taken care of? The True Experience Guide to Traveling as a Couple Around the World shows that a mix of both travel styles helps many couples. Some couples switch between staying in places that save money and choosing nice, fancy options. This can make the trip feel new, fun, and enjoyable for both people.